One of the major intentions of using package is to restrict the access, and this is done with the help of specifiers. Whether you want to provide most access or least access, that depends on you if you are the author of particular package. When I say most access, what should be the access specifier? Most access.
Public, ma'am.
Correct. Least.
Private.
Correct. So you have some idea regarding these access specifiers. Now let us fill this chart for different cases. When I use public, can I use within the same class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Same package subclass allowed. Same package non-subclass is also allowed. Since it is public, no matter where you are located, you can freely access that. No restriction of whatsoever nature. So this is most access. You are providing the most access. However, private, if you are in the same class, then you can access private components, but anything other than that is prohibited. Least access. If you want to access any private component, be it instance variable or any function, then you have to be located in the same class. Otherwise, you won't get access. Fine. Now, no modifier. So this is what I meant default specifier when we talk about packages. Within the same class, until now we hadn't mentioned public keyword. Remember, until whichever program we wrote, but still we could access within the same class. And this is also allowed if you are in the same package. As long as you are in same package, then no modifier allows you to access that. Whether you are in subclass of same package or non-subclass, this is allowed. But the moment you step on to different package, then no access will be given. You can't access component with no modifiers. Remember this keyword. As long as you are in same package, you can access. But if you move to different package, no matter whether you are a subclass or not, you cannot access that. So this access specifier is also called as, it is also corresponding to package access. It does make sense, correct? It is said to be granting package access because you can access that only if you are in same package, not otherwise. And the moment I say same class, obviously I'll be in the same package. So remember this word, so it will be convenient to identify whether you get access or not, depending on the package location. Coming to protected. If you are in the same class, possible. Same package, non-subclass, yes. Here there are two cases. Different package subclass, different package non-subclass. Assume you are in different package and still you want to access protected function or a class, then you have to be a subclass. Then only it is possible, else no. For this reason, the protected access specifier is set to grant inheritance access. if you are in same package, no problem. But if you move to different package, then you have to use inheritance property. So given a question to discuss different access specifiers, then you have to draw such a table and mention whether it is allowed or not. It is easy to remember private and public, and with these two you have to remember this property. If you know package, if it corresponds to package access, then you can fill the values, and for protected, remember inheritance is the key. The moment you step on to different package, you have to be a subclass. Make use of inheritance property, only then it is allowed, not otherwise. So such a table, it forms two triangles. So if you write the access specifier in the same order, it reduces the errors. You can very well decide with this pattern as well. Okay, so we made use of public in the program which we wrote a few minutes ago. If it is public, you can access that. Now we will do one thing. We will change that to protected. I'll change the function as protected, and let's see what happens. As expected, with the knowledge of access specifiers, this error had to be encountered because the function fact int has protected access. That's why it cannot be accessed. So if we look at the table, if you want to access any protected component, if you are in different package, what has to be done? You should be located in a subclass of that class which is in package. Within the package, this is the class, and if I want to use this function, then I should become a subclass of factorial calc. Let's make the necessary change. What should I write here? Class package demo. Correct. Extends factorial calc. Does this solve the problem? The error remains the same. It says it has protected access, and hence the error is being pointed at this statement. I cannot make use of that. Let us try to understand this better. The protected component is available to a subclass, which means the object should also be of type subclass. However, in our program, what have we done? The object is still parent class, superclass, which is part of math help package. However, by the property of protected keyword, we should be making use of object, which is a subclass. See, here you are invoking the function factNum on an object of superclass. This is not accepted. If you want to make use of that, you have to be a subclass. So let's comment this out. Instead, create an object of subclass, I mean package demo. I can invoke the protected function on subclass object, which is package1 in this case. Now it works fine. So whenever a problem statement is given with related to packages, so you have to see if any particular access specifier has been specified, and accordingly you have to make the changes in your program. We tried with public because there is possibility of accessing though you are in different package, and we tried with protected. The condition is you have to be using object of subclass. However, no modifier yielded no output because it is just not possible if you are in different package. And private, no question. No question arises of using private because until and unless you are in the same class, there is no way you can access a private component. Okay. So any doubt regarding the process of using packages? When you try this out, make sure you use two windows just to avoid the ambiguity.